The next section is about prosthetic devices. Right, so a prosthetic device is basically something that replaces a missing limb and is supposed to help you to function even after you have lost like an arm or a leg. So over here on the left, we see over here it says early prosthetics replaced a missing limb, but the device was not really useful. So if you take a look at this, early prosthetic device, this is for a hand, but it's not really useful because you can't really move it very well. It just kind of helps you to hold an object maybe a little bit, but it's not really that dynamic. Each finger does not move individually that well. It's just very difficult to use, and it's not very close to a real hand. But as technology has progressed, right, take a look at this prosthetic device over here on the right. This one on the right, you can actually, hold like this orange, this, tangerine, and each individual moves, each finger moves individually. It has, all this electronics in it. So this is, a much more different and much more advanced kind of prosthetic device. This one over here shows you another example. This is also a prosthetic device. So this is another prosthetic hand, and this one can, pick up something like a key. So this key is a very small object. You really need, this hand to be very fine-tuned in order to pick up a small object like this. In addition to hands and feet and stuff like that, people also make prosthetic ears and other kinds of things for cosmetic reasons. Like for example, this child over here on the right was born with an ear, that has some kind of deformity. So if you add this prosthetic ear, you almost can't even tell that what his original ear looked like. Now this over here on the left is a pirate, and you notice that pirates, they're often shown with this prosthetic peg leg and then a hook hand. So maybe this guy got into a battle and his foot got chopped off and maybe his hand got chopped off, whatever it was. And so these were basically kind of like early prosthetic devices, right? Like this peg leg, right, helps the pirate to stand up. This hook can help the pirate to grab something, with it. You can see it's not really that advanced, right? Like over here on the right, we have this advanced prosthetic leg, and you can see that it's not just a piece of wood, right? It has like a joint on the bottom. Maybe it's soft, so it can grip the floor, better. Maybe it's better suited to where you can put your leg in here and attach the prosthetic device, to yourself. So it's just much more advanced compared to the old style prosthetic device.